How to recover your deleted call history. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can recover your deleted call history. Now, if you just deleted a call history by mistake, or if you deleted your call history and you want to see the history again, then what to do? First, what you want to do is head into your App Store here, and then App Store or Play Store, and then search in for Call Log Monitor here. Now you won't get the exact same app, but if you scroll down below, you'll see Call Log Delete Backup Restore application right here. You'll get multiple choices. You can select any one. I'll recommend you this one because it's a legit app. I don't know about others, but you can use this Call Log Delete Backup Restore or Call Log Editor and Backup, Call Log Analytics, Call Notes. Now what you want to do is go ahead and download this application called Call Log Delete Backup Restore, and once you download it, open it up, grant it all the access, and you'll be able to view all your deleted call history there, and you'll be able to back up your call history there as well. So this way you can recover your deleted call history. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.